Ever since I bought this car, I haven't had time to work on the interior at all. Thus, today I will start by cleaning the leather upholstery on the driver's seat. The interior is not that dirty, so I'll be using a brush made of natural hair and a light cleaning solution. In addition, I will also use a microfiber towel to wipe the dirt. The process is simple. First, I apply the solution, and then I use the brush to agitate the dirt and grime accumulated over time. The solution is not concentrated, but it still does the job as advertised. This means that I have to insist with the brush. And then I pass with the microfiber towel to collect it. Immediately we can see the difference between the clean and the dirty leather, and it feels different to the touch too. The clean portions are soft and their surface is adherent. The dirty portions are harder, look more reflective, and have this oily appearance. There are some tiny bits of damage every here and there, but nothing that cannot be fixed with some leather stain. I'll have to look for some staining solution of this color. The damaged sections are not really cracked, they are more like scratches. The sun outside doesn't really help me through the cleanup process. As it's very powerful, it quickly evaporates the solution, so I have to move fast. However, it's good for overall drying of the upholstery after I wipe the dirt with a microfiber cloth. The seat doesn't appear to be that dirty, but the grime collected on the cloth speaks for itself. And no, that's not color. It is dirt, and it smells bad also. The nice gray color of the seat begins to reveal itself. I plan to condition the seats as well, but I'll do that in another day, when I will do the complete interior. I realize the camera angle is not the best. I should have set it differently so that the entire seat would have been in the viewport.